Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn off notifications on Telegram desktop even after you've closed the application. By the end of this tutorial, you won't have to deal with those pesky pop-ups distracting you when you're not using Telegram. You'll be able to enjoy some well-deserved peace and quiet on your computer, and don't worry, I'll break down each step so that you know what you're doing and why. Let's get right into it. First, we need to actually adjust some key settings in your Telegram desktop app. This part is crucial, because even if you close the app window, Telegram can sometimes keep running in the background, sending you notifications you definitely didn't ask for. Start by launching the Telegram desktop application on your computer. If you can't find it right away, it might be minimized. Look for the paper airplane icon on your taskbar or in your applications menu. Click it to open the main Telegram window. Once you're in, check the very top left corner of the Telegram window for three little horizontal lines. This is often called the hamburger menu, picture stacking three pancakes. Go ahead and click on those lines, and from the list that drops down, choose Settings. This is where you'll find all the personalization options for Telegram. Inside the Settings menu, you want to find and click on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls what Telegram does to get your attention, everything from sounds to pop-ups and little flashing alerts. Now, under the Message Notifications, or sometimes you'll see an Events section, there's an important setting called Desktop Notifications. This is the switch that controls whether Telegram sends notifications to your desktop, even when all you want is to focus on something else. Simply toggle this switch off. If that sounds technical, don't worry, just click the switch so it's no longer blue or highlighted. If you get a brief pop-up warning or confirmation, just accept it. Turning this off means Telegram won't send you those message bubbles or previews on your desktop anymore. But let's take it a step further. For total silence, you'll also want to disable options like sound, flash taskbar, and vibration. Each of these is another way Telegram tries to get your attention. If you're the kind of person who loves zero distractions, maybe you're working on a big project, or you just want some true downtime, go ahead and uncheck or switch these off as well. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes a world of difference. No more surprise noises during important meetings or frantic taskbar flashing while you're trying to unwind. Take a moment to double-check that each toggle is off. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back. Settings aren't permanent, they're just there to make your computer life easier. And that's it. With these adjustments, you've told Telegram desktop to stay quiet even after you close the app. You're in control, not your notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any other Telegram questions or want guidance on something else. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.